Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the world of business and entrepreneurship. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss as we unravel the hidden strategies behind one of the most influential business leaders of our time, Jeff Bezos, the mastermind behind Amazon. If you're looking for inspiration and insights to succeed in the business world, this video is a must-watch. So let's jump right in. Number 1. Obsess over customers, not competitors. One of the key pillars of Jeff Bezos' success is his relentless focus on the customer. Amazon's obsession with customer satisfaction is unmatched. The company set a gold standard for customer service. Bezos famously said, "If you make customers unhappy in the physical world, they might each tell 6 friends. If you make customers unhappy on the internet, they can each tell 6,000 friends." Rather than fixating on competitors, Bezos understood the immense power of prioritizing the customer's needs and experiences. This commitment to delivering value and superior service set Amazon apart and serves as a vital lesson for businesses aiming for long-term success. Number 2. Think long-term. Jeff Bezos' long-term vision is a bedrock of Amazon's unparalleled success. His ability to think beyond the next quarter or year and instead plan decades ahead has been a transformative force. Bezos prioritizes investing in innovation and infrastructure, even when it means sacrificing short-term profits. This strategic mindset paid off in monumental ways. Amazon Web Services stands as a prime testament to his visionary approach. AWS began as a humble concept and evolved into a multi-billion-dollar enterprise, reshaping the landscape of cloud computing and technology services. Bezos' visionary thinking emphasizes the long-term innovation and resilience, crucial for aspiring entrepreneurs and established businesses pursuing transformative, enduring growth. Number 3. Be willing to experiment. Jeff Bezos places significant emphasis on the power of experimentation within the realm of business. He understands that trying out new ideas, even if many of them fail, is a fundamental catalyst for innovation. Bezos believes that companies should cultivate a culture that not only permits experimentation, but also celebrates it, recognizing that failure is an integral part of the innovation process. This open-minded approach to testing and refining ideas has been a driving force behind Amazon's continuous evolution. Bezos' philosophy reminds us that a culture of experimentation is pivotal in navigating the ever-changing business landscape, allowing both established companies and ambitious entrepreneurs to push the boundaries of what's possible and foster a mindset of continuous growth and improvement. Number 4. Be nimble and flexible. Jeff Bezos' wisdom extends to the importance of agility and flexibility in business operations, even for mammoth corporations like Amazon. He firmly advocates against succumbing to excessive bureaucracy that can stifle innovation and slow decision-making. Maintaining the agility of a startup is a priority for Bezos, as it enables companies to swiftly adapt to changes in the market, seize emerging opportunities, and respond effectively to unexpected challenges. Amazon's success is not just in its size, but in its ability to act with the speed and dexterity of a much smaller enterprise. Bezos' counsel underscores that staying nimble and flexible is a strategic imperative to thrive in the ever-shifting landscape of commerce. Number 5. Embrace external trends. Amazon's success story is closely tied to its astute decision to ride the wave of the internet's rapid growth during its nascent stages. Bezos contends that identifying and adapting to macro-level shifts in technology consumer behavior, or other market dynamics can provide companies with a substantial competitive edge. This foresight enables organizations to position themselves as early adopters and leaders in emerging markets, seizing the opportunities that come with being at the forefront of transformative trends. Bezos's approach serves as a valuable lesson, urging businesses, both established and budding, to stay vigilant, adapt, and capitalize on external trends as a key driver of sustainable growth and prosperity. Number 6. It's always day one. Jeff Bezos' day one philosophy encapsulates a fundamental aspect of his business approach. He contends that companies must perpetually maintain the mindset they had on their first day of existence, marked by unwavering enthusiasm, boundless curiosity, and an acute sense of urgency. According to Bezos, slipping into a day two mentality inevitably results in stagnation and ultimately obsolescence. Bezos' message is clear: complacency is the enemy of progress. Bezos' day one ethos serves as a reminder to businesses, urging them to retain the passion, agility, and innovative spirit of their early days, ensuring they stay dynamic and relevant in an ever-evolving marketplace. Number 7. Make high-quality decisions quickly. Jeff Bezos champions the approach of making high-quality decisions swiftly, considering it a critical element of effective leadership. He advises against waiting for absolute certainty, as this cautious approach can lead to sluggish decision-making, ultimately hampering a company's agility and responsiveness. Instead, Bezos encourages leaders to act with as little as 70% of the necessary information, allowing room for adaptability and course correction as needed. This commitment to speedy decision-making is seen as a significant competitive advantage, as it enables a company to capitalize on opportunities and respond to challenges in real time. Bezos' counsel underscores the value of balancing quality and velocity in decision-making, ensuring that businesses can stay nimble and innovative in a rapidly changing business landscape. Number 8. Use a regret minimization framework. Jeff Bezos' regret minimization framework is a concept that shaped his extraordinary entrepreneurial journey. He reflects on his decision to launch Amazon, envisioning himself at the age of 80 and aiming to minimize regrets. This approach encourages individuals to take calculated risks, follow their passions, and embrace new opportunities. Bezos' vision for the future propelled him to venture into uncharted territory and capitalize on the internet boom. By adopting a similar mindset, business leaders can find the courage to explore uncharted paths, confront challenges, and seize opportunities that align with their long-term goals, ultimately reducing the risk of future regrets. Number 9. Scale with 2 pizza teams. Jeff Bezos advocates for keeping teams small enough that they can be adequately nourished with just 2 pizzas. This seemingly simple rule has profound implications, fostering agility, streamlined communication, and a heightened sense of ownership within the teams. Basically, small teams can operate more autonomously, make decisions swiftly, and remain closely aligned with the company's objectives. Bezos' philosophy emphasizes the value of simplicity and the advantages of maintaining lean, nimble teams. This allows them to drive innovation more effectively and ensures all team members are actively engaged and accountable for their contributions. Number 10. Focus on what doesn't change. The wisdom of Jeff Bezos also includes the significance of firmly establishing corporate strategies in the face of changing market conditions. He advises companies to build their core strategies around enduring customer desires. Amazon, for instance, centers its approach on the fundamental understanding that customers will always seek low prices, rapid delivery, and a wide selection of products. By prioritizing these timeless needs, businesses can forge a path to sustained success. Bezos' philosophy places a strong emphasis on identifying and adhering to the constants in an ever-evolving market. This ensures companies remain relevant, responsive, and aligned with the unchanging aspirations of their customers, while adapting to the fluid aspects of the business environment. To sum it up, Jeff Bezos' business brilliance lies in his unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction, his visionary long-term perspective, and his ability to foster a culture of relentless innovation and adaptability. If you found these insights intriguing, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow entrepreneurs, and don't forget to subscribe for a steady stream of business wisdom that can supercharge your success in the dynamic world of entrepreneurship. Thank you for tuning in. We can't wait to bring you more gems from the world of business and innovation in our next video. Stay tuned.